Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Danske Bank account. So follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar type in Danske Bank login. And as the search result you can see in the first option the link to the Danske Bank. Click on it. It will take you to this interface and from here choose your account type. Now enter the user ID of your account and enter your passcode. Once you do that, click on continue. You will be logged into your Danske Bank account. And to register for e-banking, click here on register for e-banking for your Danske Bank account. So this was for this video. This is how you can log in into your Danske Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.